This is Steve with Craft Racing and more. And we've got an update. I'm at the Super Late. And we're done doing what we can do on the car today because parts don't come until 7:30 tomorrow. But anyways, this 604 crate motor has got to come out of this dirt Super Late model so that it can go to the engine builder and it can get a refresh because it's got something blown, head gasket, something else, but got to get it out and get it to the engine builder. So that's what I'm going to do for a while. All right, that's the update, short one, but we will be racing at Kankakee tomorrow in the compact. We've already fixed the nose and we're making adjustments to the car to make it faster, make it turn better. A little bit of camber here and there, and hopefully we'll be ready to go tomorrow night. I got 4 more nights to try and win a feature at Kankakee. I got to finish one first before I can win one, so we'll work on that. 4 weeks to finish and win. Wonder what that equates to how many degrees. A few moments later. All right, it's done. All right, so the crate motor has been pulled from the Super Late and get it dressed up, and it's going to the engine builder tomorrow. So we will, I'm not going to be involved in that, but Jacob is, and he'll take that over to the engine builder, and the guy says within a week it'll be done. So we'll see if he's going to have it back and racing next Friday night. All right, this is Steve with Craft Racing and more, and we're out.